Hello friends, I'm painting Yan here. Let's go to beach today. I went to beach and painted in Sacramento, California on last Monday. So I'm going to be painting that I took a picture for colors, burnt sienna, and next horizon blue. Now I'm practicing the dilute and branding color. So I recommend for you, you need to try like this. Next, this one is the phthalo blue. Take a permanent violet. First, take a thick and intense color and dilute the with cream color. Next, horizon blue mix permanent blue, permanent violet. Now I'm mixing horizon blue, phthalo blue, and permanent violet. Take a more intense of burnt sienna and put on the top of the brown color area. Okay, let's jump into paint and start by sketching with 2H pencil. And I'm draw the ocean line 130 position, and this one is some small cliff. Yeah, we don't need to some any detailed sketchy. So just this one is the wave and yeah, sand area. First step is wetting the paper smoothly and fully because we are going to be using loose style, wet on wet. So first take water horizon blue for lower of the sky area. And for next color is horizon blue mix phthalo blue in the middle of sky area. And apply one more layer with the phthalo blue in the top of the sky. And mixing and blending colors softly and gently. Next thing is I will make dark clouds with the mixture of burnt sienna mix phthalo blue. Okay, watch my brush strokes carefully. Push the brush hard and wiggle on the paper to make clouds of freestyle. And I will use cotton ball to take out some blue around the clouds. The reason is I want to use various materials for fun and to find easy way. And then, but it's not enough, so I will use a dried brush more. take out some color around the crowd area. One more time, add thick intense of blue, put on the crowd area. Totally it's up to you. You like that's enough, you stop it. And it's time to move to ocean. I will paint it. I'm going to paint in this order. First, wash the paper. Second, apply light color. And third, add the intense color on the ocean step by step. I'm trying to very thick, intense of color put on the ocean area for some wave. Swish your brush. Yeah, my brush stroke very quickly. Next, taking burnt sienna to apply cliff area. I'm using my brush strokes from up to down to create cliff shape. Next, I need an intense brown, so I'm taking burnt sienna into dark blue, which I use ocean. Add it sand of the foreground gently, and my brush stroke, back and forth stroke. And blend the color smoothly. And one more time, add on it with the strongest and thickest of brown. On the foreground area, I mix burnt sienna, phthalo blue, permanent violet. Next, I'd like to draw ocean waves. For that, I prepare a white gouache. And you also use white watercolor, white gel pen, and take out tiny spots with knife. What I'm doing now, draw some wave with white gouache. You can use white watercolor or acrylic, some different any stuff for white. And lastly, I'd like to draw people who are working on the beach. It will help to some viewers that making more stories. For example, back to their memories or they want to go beach, right? One more person there. They talking each other. And draw a bird for peace. I pray that your life will be peaceful. I'm splashing with brown color on the sand and cliff area. We are all done this painting. Thank you for watching and listening. See you next time. Bye.